everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this adorable little fakey Blythe doll. I'm getting ready to pack her up and send her off to her new home. So my sister over at Tapping Flamingo, she has a YouTube channel and you've probably seen her on my channel before. Terry and I have done a number of collaborative type of videos together. And she is a doll collector. She's not a super serious one like I am, but she has 2 Blythe dolls and she was asking about getting a third one. And so I helped her out. And this is the little girl that's going to go hang out with her. So she's a fakey Blythe doll. She's from AliExpress. I had her in my collection, but not really like a doll I did anything with. She was stashed away because I had planned to sell her in my Etsy shop. But as you know, if you've been watching my videos at all, I just do not have time to deal with a YouTube channel, a full-time job, life, and an Etsy shop right now. So my Etsy shop's kind of been on hiatus for quite a while. So anyway, we were talking and she was telling me about the type of doll she wanted, and I was like, you know what? I think I have that doll. And I showed it to her. We were Zooming and she was like, oh yes, that's exactly the doll I want. So you can see she's tan. She's got blonde hair, bangs. She's got a matte finish on her. My sister liked the matte look, and right now she has 2 Blythe dolls in her collection. Both of them are fakies and neither one is matte. And yeah, so here's her side gray eyes, front facing blue, side sort of brownish, and front facing pink. We'll put her back there. I like these the best. So she's wearing a little dress I whipped up for her. I made a number of these dresses. In fact, you might have seen, I sent some of these to Crafty Little Crafty Kitty, and she did a video on her YouTube channel, Erica. And yeah, so I made some more, gave one to my sister. She likes yellow, so I knew she would like this. I think it looks really cute on this doll. And so along with the doll, of course, I have to toss a few other things in there. So I'm going to be sending her. Oh, and I should say, by the way, I wanted to put her on a traditional Takara body. I even have this one here. This is a fakey one. You can tell it's got weird coloring, but it would have worked for her. And my sister really kind of wanted one of these. But I don't know if it's just my hands or I don't know what's the deal. But I was not able to get her head closed with this on. You see, see all the marks on there? So I mean, I had it resting on the inside. I even posted on a customization group I'm a member of, but my hands, I just could not get her all the way closed. I got all of her closed except for right down here was just a tiny little gaposis. And my sister was like, yeah, I don't really want her with a gaposis. So I put her back on her regular body, and now she closes fine. So I don't know what's up with that. That was kind of bummed me out because I do like these traditional bodies, and the idea is that my sister wants to use this as a doll to travel with when she goes to visit her kids. She's got 4 adult kids and some handful of grandkids all scattered over the U.S., and every 3 or 4 months she goes to visit them, so she thought it would be fun to have a little companion. And she also likes to do photography, so I think she's going to have fun running around with this doll and taking pictures. But anywho, so she's back on her movable jointed body. And so, yeah, so I've got this on her. Oh, I made her some undies. Made her just a quick, easy pair of undies. And I made her another little dress. I need to put a snap on it. But otherwise, this is out of my scrap bin. I made this little dress. Look how cute that is. That's going to look cute on her. I'm going to toss in some little Mary Jane shoes. These are really nice for the larger jointed bodies, but they also fit traditional doll bodies. You have to adjust the strap a little bit, but it's no biggie to do that. I actually use a pair of pliers. I'll use a pair of pliers like this, and then that way I can kind of grasp the little strap better. So these are handy. So anyway, I'm going to put those in there. And of course she has hands. She came with hands when I purchased her from AliExpress a long time ago. And then I'm also going to put in this little stand. She doesn't have any doll stands, so I was like, girl, you need a doll stand. So this is not a real one. This is probably a knockoff, if I remember correctly. And you can also get these at AliExpress. So tossing her that in. I have lots and lots of doll stands. So needless to say. I don't think I have to even say that. You probably know that. So anyway, but yeah, so I'm going to be putting all this together. Hopefully, I got to, like I said, I have to put on the snap on that one. This dress is totally done. Undies are done. Everything else is ready except for a snap on that little dress, and then I can pack her up and get her shipped off in the mail this week. But I wanted to go ahead and share this with you. I thought she is a cute little doll, and I think my sister's going to have a good time with her. She's got pretty long hair, but this is one of those dolls. She could trim it a little bit if she wanted to. She's got pierced ears, by the way, too. Forgot to mention that. But yeah, I think she's going to have a really good time with this new doll, and hopefully it'll get over there. She'll arrive in the next week or so. But that's it. I just wanted to share this with you before I pack her all up. You guys have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye. As usual, I appreciate a thumbs up and subscription. Later, Gators.